Hello guys, today I'm gonna introduce an inspection company, IWI Inspection Welding Institute. IWI provide an overall inspection in South Korea, so if you need a inspector in South Korea, please let me know through this email here. IWI do material receiving inspection for you, and we can review material test certificate for you, and we can witness the fit up inspection and dimensional inspection for you. And we also review factory acceptance test for pumps and compressor and other rotating equipment, and we can witness hydrostatic test for pressure vessel and heat exchangers. We can also do painting and packing inspection for all kinds of materials. Here are some of our inspection reference photos. Here the dimensional inspection for the heat exchanger channel, and the ferrite number verification for the weld, and PMI verification, the alloy verification using the PMI gun, and the motor dimensional inspection and visual inspection for the motor and painting inspection, and another cutting inspection. So if you need inspectors in South Korea, we have a lot of inspectors and professional inspectors, and our inspection coverage is nationwide. So if you need inspectors in South Korea, let me know through this email. Thanks.